Hi, hello. Now we are going to discuss about the demand analysis. So before we have discussed about the managerial economics, demand role, etc. So demand analysis is one of the factors in an managerial economics. In a managerial economics, so managerial economics is an integration of economic concept and business practical knowledge towards to analyze a demand over here. So it is a most important thing in a managerial economics. Is an important topic, that is demand analysis. So demand analysis refers to the process of understanding, the evaluating and demand for a product or services in the market. It involves examining the various factors that influencing the consumer behavior, purchasing pattern and market trends, trend of forecasting, future demand, making informed business decisions, etc. These are all the things comes under demand analysis. Before we have to analyze our demand, we have to comes into the common factors over here. So these are all the factors. First one is the consumer, who is in according to the wants and preference of the consumer, we have to make over it, and purchasing pattern of a consumer, what is the market trend over here, what are the forecasting futures plan for making a demand, and what are the business decision we are going to take over it. So these are all things important in a market analysis. Next, that the objectives of a market analysis. The first objective is that pricing strategies to determine the optimum price to maximizing the revenue. That is one of the most important factors over here. The next one is production planning. The production planning is to align the production level with an expected demand. What is an expected demand? According to that, we have to make a production over it, not overproduction or not an underproduction. So the production is also an important factors in objectives of a demand analysis. Next one is production planning. If production planning, to align the production planning level of expectation, that is an important thing. So next thing is a market segmentation. Here the market segmentation is to identify the target audience and tailored offer. So according to the our target audience, we have to offer our product and we have to produce our product. So each and every business is targeting the different types of segment over here. So according to that segment, they have to make a analyze over here. The next one is investment decision. The most important thing is the money and the capital formation. That is an investment decision. How to guide a resource allocation and capacity expansion. What are the capacity we are having? According to that capacity, we have to make an investment over here in a business. The next one is risk management. Risk management is to anticipate and migrating the potential fluctuations over here. So market fluctuation makes a risk management. So according to the market fluctuation, what are the things is happening? According to that, we have to make over it and we have to manage over it. So that these are all the main objectives of a demand analysis. Once again, I point out the objective of a demand analysis. The pricing strategy is one of the point. Next one is a product planning or a production planning. The next one is a market segmentation, investment analysis, and risk management. The next, the key component of a management or a demand analysis in a business. The first one is consumer behavior, understanding why consumer buy a product, their preference, factors influencing their choice, etc. These things comes under the consumer behavior. Next one is determining the demand, identifying the factors such as we are having a different factors for a determinant. First one is price, income, consumer taste, population, size, and substitute that affects. So these are all the factors comes under demand determinants. The next one is market trends, analyzing historical sales data, seasonal variation, and emerging trends to understand the demand pattern, etc. The next thing is elasticity of demand, evaluating how sensitive demand is changes in price, income, and other factors. Price elasticities impact price changes on demand. Income elasticity impacts income variation on demand. Next, these are all the elasticity of demand takes place under the key factors of demand analysis. Next one is forecasting of future demand, using statistical and economic tools to predict the future demand based on the current data and market conditions. The next important thing of demand analysis too, it helps the business to determine the optimum pricing strategy, to assist in production planning by estimating the required quantities. It guides the inventory management to avoid the storage or overstocking, and it enhances the effective marketing and promotional strategies to promote our product, and then it gives an information for decision on market entire expansion and diversification over here. So these are all the important factors of an determinants or demand analysis in a business. So now we are going to see about the conclusion part of it. By conducting through the demand analysis, business can better understand their market, anticipate consumer needs, positions their product or services effectively. Demand analysis business can align their operations with market needs, improve customer satisfaction and enhance profitability. These are all the things comes under the managerial economics. With this we can conclude that the managerial economics have to improve the satisfaction and enhance the profitability and to align the business operations over here. So these are all the better demand analysis, and demand analysis is useful for the better growth of an organization and making a profit over it. So I think so you all understand about what is demand analysis and how we have to make a demand analysis to improve our business and sustain in our business and to make a overall success in our business. Thank you for everyone.